Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. This is Brian and I am the Cycle Trainer for Starkey Hearing Technologies. If you ever need assistance with Cycle, please either call Starkey and ask for technical support, or you can also email us at oms_support@starkey.com. This is video 12 of our 14 video series. In the last video we talked about hearing aid exchanges. In the previous video from that we talked about returns for credits. And in this particular video, we're going to be talking about hearing aid replacements. And what hearing aid replacements we're talking about is if a hearing aid needs to be replaced through Starkey's loss and damage coverage. And so I'm going to walk you through how to do that, but just a quick recap. Again, the definition for returns are that a hearing aid, the patient received a set of hearing aids, they no longer want their hearing aids and they want to be refunded those hearing aids. An exchange is patient has hearing aids, but they maybe want a newer technology, or maybe they need a different color or just a different set of hearing aids. Those are not return for credits, those are exchanges. And then we also have replacements, and the replacements are going to be if they are lost or damaged and they need to be replaced with the Starkey's warranty. So what you're going to want to do for these is very similar again to the exchanges and the returns. You're going to search for the patient. Go underneath the patient summary. Then you're going to scroll down to the current hearing aids. And then you're going to click on this replace button. Now when it comes to replacing, it actually just does one replacement at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. I want to replace this left hearing aid. It's going to populate that here for me. And I'm going to be replacing with the same thing. And the thing that you're going to notice is that originally in the administration tab, the deductible, or what they're going to have to pay for the replacement, it will populate automatically. So we have the retail price is going to be $200. That's why it's going to show up as $200. And again, it says at the top, to replacement for this hearing aid. It's going to give you the same type of hearing aid. I'm going to save this. And on the invoice, it's not a hearing aid invoice. This is going to be specifically for the replacement. And it says on here, replaces the hearing aid right here. It's got $200. And then I would go ahead and click on save. Okay. And then I would treat this just like I would a brand new hearing aid, in the fact that I'm waiting for the manufacturer to send me the replacement, and I would check it in and I would mark it as being delivered. And so I would close this, the date that it comes in, I would go over to my inventory, and then now you'll see that hearing aids to be checked in is the replacement, and I would go through the rest of that. And that is how you quickly do a hearing aid replacement in Cycle. And that is the end of this particular video when it talks about replacements. Thank you very much for your time. And please tune in for our next video, which is going to talk about third-party billings. All right, thank you so much.